And we Muslims, we prefer calling Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God. People ask the question, why do you call him Allah? The reason we call Allah by the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God is because a person can play mischief with the English word God. For example, if you add S to God, it becomes gods, plural of God. There's nothing like plural Allah. Kul huwallahu ahad. Say is Allah one and only. If you add D-E-S-S to God, it becomes goddess, meaning a female god. There's nothing like male Allah or female Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is unique. He has got no gender. The moment you add father to God, it becomes Godfather. He's my godfather. He's my guardian. There's nothing like Allah father or Allah Abba in Islam. If you add mother to God, it becomes godmother. There's nothing like Allah mother or Allah Ammi in Islam. Allah is a unique word. If you prefix a tin before God, it becomes tin God, meaning a fake God. There's nothing like tin Allah in Islam. That is the reason we Muslims, we prefer calling Allah by the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God. But when the Muslims are speaking to non-Muslims who may not understand the concept of Allah, and when they use this word God instead of Allah, I've got no objection. But I would like to remind them that God is not the appropriate translation of the Arabic word Allah. But when we speak to non-Muslims and you use this word, I've got no objection.